Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone. Make sure your Motorola Edge 50 Fusion is unlocked and running the current system build, because permissions differ across versions. Once done, charge above 20% and disable Power Saver so processes won't be restricted. Now open Settings, then tap Apps and Notifications. That's where app-level permissions live. You do this first because floating windows require both permission and app-specific enablement. Starting here avoids backtracking later and gets you immediately into the Next, you pick the app you want floating, go to the app list and tap its name. Once inside, tap Advanced, then find Display over other apps or Special App Access. Android groups it there. Toggle Allow Display over other apps on and accept any confirmation dialogues. This grants the app overlay privileges so it can draw above other screens. Make sure to repeat for each app you'll use in split tasking. This step is essential because without overlay permission, the floating window won't appear. Finally, open the app and trigger the floating window via its menu, multitask view, or a long press on the app icon. Different apps use different gestures, so try the app's own window or the recent apps pane. If the floating window doesn't show, make sure battery optimization isn't restricting the app. Disable optimization for that app, then revoke and regrant overlay permission. Restart the phone and retry. If problems persist, clear the app cache or reinstall. That removes corrupted settings that can block overlays.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.